You may want to keep your room very clean and tidy every day, but find that it's not easy when you need more time for entertainment and a bit more snooze in the morning, or when you're being late to work. Don't worry, from now on, the Mamibot PREVAC650, a wet mopping robot cleaner, is ready to help you out. It doesn't only do dry vacuuming and sweeping, it also mops your floor until it shines. You can control your PREVAC650 through an app, which means you can clean your home from anywhere you have an internet connection, at any time. Supported by a series of high-end sensors, and directed by gyroscope and acceleration transducers, the PREVAC650 is especially good at cleaning efficiently in zigzag mode. Besides its excellent performance on dry cleaning, the specially designed big mop and water tank turn it into a smart and wet mopping robot. You no longer need two robot cleaners. Sensors with high accuracy enable the PREVAC650 to detect walls and turn into edge cleaning intelligently if necessary. When dirt and dust are built up in a small area, a simple tap on the spot cleaning menu will start a 30-second spiral cleaning and return you a spotless floor. With double main brushes, the PREVAC650 can easily pick up small floating dust, pet hair, and bigger debris, making it suitable for all types of hard floors and carpets. PREVAC650 is as slim as 8.8 centimeters. In other words, it can clean easily under furniture. With two strong wheels, it also moves effortlessly from room to room. It even climbs over steps up to 2 centimeters high. With the anti-falling sensors, the PREVAC650 knows to turn around when comes across steps. Being different from other robot cleaners, the PREVAC650 is a unique wet mopping robot cleaner you deserve.